Here before us is Miss Soundarya, the Executive Director of Krishna International School, Devipatinam, Ramanathapuram.
Hi, ma'am. We are from Mike and Mind Club. I am the treasurer.
And I am the President.
We are here to interview you regarding say no to single use plastic.
What steps has the school taken to reduce plastic waste?
Okay, that is such an important question that every youngster now needs to ask. Everywhere now, single use plastic has become the greatest problem. You can see all our seas filled with plastic wrappers, all the Amazon packages coming with all the bubble wraps, plastic things. So, this is high time that we take a notion to say no to single use plastic. So this year, this month, August, our school is running more than 6 campaigns with each club. You are from Mike and Mind Club. We have another 5 clubs. All these clubs are running their own campaigns. Your campaign starts with our interview. So our Young Inventors Club have come up with an idea of doing an eco posters where they are painting on the cloth sheets and bringing it up. And for example, and we have started a very strong campaign with our students rallying around throughout the campus, shouting, saying no to single-use plastics. So this month is all about saying no. We are gonna say no to all single-use plastics that is polluting all our world.
What challenges did the school face while implementing these plastic free practices?
Knowing the challenges will actually push us to have a reformery. First challenges we face is now single use plastic has become a lifestyle. As I have already mentioned, through Amazon packages, whenever we are getting vegetables, anywhere we are just getting a bag. It's easier, it's convenient, we can just use it once and throw it away. When it is a single use plastic, it's very easy. You just buy it, use it once to our convenience and throw it out. But that is a very hazardous thing that everybody needs to understand. So this changing their lifestyle, changing this culture is what the biggest challenges we face.
How can schools become role models for environmental sustainability?
Environmental sustainability, that is the $1,000 question now. So what is sustainability?
Making sure of availability of things over a long period of time.
We don't have abundance of anything per to say that to fossil fuels we are using it for many things. Electricity, petroleum, fuel, anything is based on fossil fuel, and we have limited stock of it. So to bring the sustainability, to prolong whatever we have for the next generations, we need to look at a world which is sustainable. As a school management of educating about 1,500 students each year, we understand the significant importance of educating them young. So, with real life models in school systems, we are easily able to make them understand the importance of it. Small instructions: keep your environment clean, switch off your electricities when you are going out, save water. Do not, you can see all the billboards here and there that say save water, switch off your lights. Your class teacher always insists you. These are small things that will bring you to a next level. Okay, this is a small initiative from our side we have taken, where each and every one of you should understand the consequences of having that single use plastic. Once you start growing that tree of culture, no, it will grow into a bigger tree. So we wanted to inculcate it to students so that you will go into your parents' house, tell them not to buy. So after at least doing this podcast, when you go to home and your mom is telling go buy something, you'll ask them, okay, give it, wrap it in a paper at least and give me, because we are against single-use plastic.
Of course, ma'am.
What is one simple action everyone can take today to reduce plastic waste?
One simple action I would suggest everybody to do is whenever you're gonna get a single-use plastic, ask yourself, do I need this? Are there any alternatives for this? You're going for a grocery, you can take your own bag. If you're going anywhere out, take your own water bottles. Reduce the single use plastics wherever it is applicable. That way, we'll be able to reduce it in the small steps. Again, I'm telling it is hard to eradicate it throughout, because these are all major schemes that governments and other MNCs need to provide us with other alternatives. There are no such alternatives now. So instead of that, we can use what is sustainable for us, a cloth bag that is very sustainable, that we can use multiple times. Will take time to clean it out, clear it out, but that time you save will save our environment.
Thank you for your valuable thoughts, ma'am.
How does the plastic free future look to you, ma'am?
A plastic free future, you ask? I would simply say let's travel back 100 years. How was the environment then? Too much greeneries, too much water, clean to drink. No, that is what I want my future to look like, but with more technologies. I cannot live without technology. So obviously, I want all the technologies we have, but that should be sustainable enough so that the land and agriculture form everything that was behind 100 years are applicable now as well. It is possible. It is not an imagination. It is not an impossible task. It should be possible in another 50 years. Only then we can survive. So now I want to know what is your understanding, what you have learned from the campaigns.
I understood that the school provides us more ideas and awareness programs that are related to say no to single use plastic, and it's very essential for future generations as we children will be avoiding plastic bags and promote cloth bags. And due to these campaigns, we just learn more about this, about the disadvantages of plastic usage.
It also creates pollution, which is very harmful, and animals die by eating single use plastics. So, we should say no to single use plastics.
This is the future we dream of. A future where this sustainability thing is not taken as a responsibility, but it is just the way we live by. So I think people will get the awareness of saying no to single use plastics. So let's just say no and ask ourselves the very important question: is there any alternative that I can use other than the single use plastic?
Thank you for spending your valuable time with us, ma'am.
Thank you.
Signing from Krishna FM 1661.
Our motto is say no to single use plastics.
Thank you.